One tricky thing is this is a Bosch dishwasher. Ugh. It's easier if you aren't trying to film at the same time. It does have one of those sneaky trays on top, so if you're looking for some utensils, they're there. It's nice, it does work. Please use it. There's these are not to be eaten. They are dishwasher tablets. You'll usually get paper towels, a nice big apron sink. You do have like normal stuff. Hopefully like you would kind of have it at home. Bags and whatever. This is the main coffee area for most people, or tea.